everybody. Mike Brailsford, Brailsford Woodworks. Hey, today I'm going to try to make several small single-serving salad bowls. I've got a bunch of small cherry that I'd like to use this for. I've had it sitting around. It's very dry. And I want to do a set of like 4 or 6 bowls. And it's possibly for a engagement present for my daughter. So let me get started on this. Alright, so I'm going to take this first bowl, sand the outside, then set it aside, and then we'll move on to the next one. While I'm doing that, while I'm sanding, I'm going to shut it off. Alright, here comes bowl number 2. Alright, here's bowl number 3. All right, I'm putting on the sixth and final bowl to shape on the outside. I'm using a wormwood screw. I don't use it often as I should. It certainly is convenient. Okay, I turned the outside of 6 bowls that are all relatively the same shape. I'm not gonna be crazy about trying to make them all, perfectly identical. They're as close as I need them to be. But I think the fact that there's subtle differences adds to the whole fact that they're handmade. So right now I'm going to turn the insides, and on these I have not been sanding to my normal degree. I usually go to a 400 grit. I'm only going to 220 right now, and that is mainly because I expect these bowls to be used. They're going to be single serve salad bowls, and my daughter will use them, and so they should get a lot of use, and because of that I'm not going to go crazy with the sanding. But at any rate, let me get started on finishing all the insides of these 6 bowls. I honestly think that'll do the job. So let me sand this one and get on to the next one. let me see on this one. All right, and this is number 6. All right, let me sand out this last one, and then I'll come back to you. All right, so I'm all done. This is my daughter just closed on her first house, and this will be a little housewarming present for her and her fiance. So these are all cherry. What I will do offline is I will be putting Danish oil on all these. Probably several coats to give it a good strong base for her to be able to use these on a regular basis for, you know, little salads or whatever she wants. They're not all exactly the same size, but I'd say I think they're close enough for government work, as they'll say. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Please leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And thank you all for watching. Please click like and subscribe.